Hello everyone, as you can see we're going to be taking a look at another Star Wars The Black Series figure. This is an older figure, however. It's one that I've been wanting to get for a while. I saw him on Amazon, it was super cheap, so I figured why not go ahead and pick it up. As you can see, it is the Elite Praetorian Guard. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the outside of the box. We're going to go ahead and unbox the guard, and then from there we'll take a look at his articulation, take some pictures, and then talk about what we like and what we don't like about the figure. And as we're going through this, if you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. Don't forget to ask it. If you've got the question, don't wait until the end. Ask while the video is going. And if you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. So let's go ahead and take a look at the outside of the box here. As you can see, it is the older red box style. Looks like we've got a blade here, and then we've got the Praetorian Guard. On the side here, we've got number 50, so that gives you an idea of how old this figure actually is. And we've got the Elite Praetorian Guard, and then we've got Charlie 3290. On the back, we've got the image of the guard here, and we've got, as the supreme leader of the First Order, Snoke was flanked by Crimson-Clad Guardians, loyal protectors encased in ornate armor, ready to defend the supreme leader from any threat. All right. Then we've got the wording there, so let's go ahead and take them out of the box. And as we do, we'll go from the bottom. Again, it's just easier doing it that way. It's a cool looking blade here. It's kind of similar to this year's holiday figures. All right, I'll go ahead and get everything cleaned up, and I'll be right back. All right, so cleaned everything up. Figure we go ahead and take a look at the blade first. It's a pretty cool looking blade. We've got the actual blade part right there. Let's see if we can focus in on that. There we go. I mean, it looks pretty good. I'm happy with that. I think they did a good job with some of the detail there. It's a little flimsy, but I don't know what they would do to make it not so flimsy. Looking at the head. Head gets some really good motion. It's got like a double joint. So got some good ups, some good downs, and a little extra down. Able to get a little bobble left and right, not much, but able to do the full 360 as far as the head is concerned. Oh, shoulder piece pops right off. It looks like it'll pop right back in, hopefully. There we go. Nice. Shoulders will go all the way up. And that shoulder piece is definitely important for that. Probably would do the full 360. It will, but just be careful of that shoulder pad. Arms, not going to get the full 90, as you can see there. And it looks like this is an up-down. And this one is a left-right. It's like opposite of what it normally is. That's interesting. And then obviously that one's not going to get the full 90 either. This piece here is kind of rubberized. It's not bad. I do like the detail here on the back. If we look, pants underneath are black. We've got a double knee. Doesn't look like the knee wants to do the kick the butt sort of thing. We are able to twist, it looks like, at the upper thigh does have the twist. We do not have a twist anyplace else on the leg, however, except down at the ankle. At the torso, we do have good motion as well. So that is the figure. So it's looking pretty good. So let's go ahead and take some pictures and take a closer look at the figure. When we come back, we'll talk about some of the things that we like and don't like about the figure. All right, so I think that was a good look at the figure. We got to really see what his movement was like, where the lack of movement really was, which was actually in the arms here. I think that the arms really need to have more of a bend in the elbow area. The other problem that I had too was that the staff here, the halberd or wherever you want to call it, I think it was just too short. He's not able to have it just stand on the ground and having him hold it. So he's always having to hold it kind of awkwardly with one hand like this, or in a weird two-handed movement as well. So that's really my only complaints. I think the figure looks awesome, and I'll go ahead and stop the rotation here. Maybe. There we go. And if you have any questions about the figure, make sure you ask down below, and you like the video, give it a thumbs up like always. But anyway, so we're trying out the little turntable here. Let me know what you think. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Yeah, let me know. Anyways, so yeah, I mean, the figure itself, I think the figure looks really cool. I think I need to get another one. That way I can have him flank Snoke, in my setup here. Yeah, I mean, the articulation on him is limited, and the staff, I think it's too short. Too short. Anyways, so with that, like I said before, if you have any questions, ask down below. If you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know about the turntable. Do you think it's cool, not cool? Trying it out? Yeah. I kind of like it. I like the fact that while I'm talking, you're able to get a good look at the figure, and also able to get some good video as well with that. So also, before I forget, if you like this video, if you like Star Wars The Black Series, you like things that a professional geek might find interesting, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. We do a lot of things on the channel, including, of course, Star Wars The Black Series. We do other things as well that a professional geek might find interesting. So with that, I invite you to subscribe, and have a great day.